sea. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, the S-26P Submarine 7. Think of it as the underwater equivalent of a luxury Grand Tourer, mixed with the stealth of a ninja and the tech of a spaceship. Let's get into it. At first glance, the S-26P might look like a shadow gliding beneath the waves, but don't let its sleek shape fool you. This is a powerhouse of engineering. Designed for modern naval operations, this export version submarine is based on the UN-class design from China. With a length of around 77 meters and displacement upwards of 2,600 tons when submerged, the S-26P is a monster in the deep but moves with precision and silence that would put most sports cars to shame. The bodywork is hydrodynamically optimized. Instead of carbon fiber, we're talking high-grade steel alloys capable of withstanding extreme pressures hundreds of meters under the surface. While there's no grill up front, the sonar dome is where all the sensing magic happens. It's the submarine equivalent of a full ADAS system, detecting, tracking, and identifying targets far ahead of its position. Under the hood, or should I say, within the hull, you've got an advanced air-independent propulsion system, or IPE. This is the hybrid tech of the sea. The IPE lets the submarine remain submerged for weeks without surfacing, quietly running on battery and fuel cells. It's like having a Tesla Plaid that doesn't need to visit a charging station, ever. Speed-wise, it can cruise silently at 18 knots underwater, which is fast in submarine terms, especially with zero exhaust bubbles. Step inside if you're lucky enough to be part of the crew, and it's a mix of function and form. Crew stations are digital, minimalistic, and all about efficiency. There's no leather trim or mood lighting, but every system is streamlined for stealth and survival. The periscope has been replaced by a high-tech mast that gives panoramic thermal and optical views. Basically, the cockpit is more like a sci-fi control center than any car dashboard. Now let's talk firepower, because the submarine doesn't just cruise, it dominates. The S-26P comes equipped with 6 torpedo tubes that can launch heavyweight torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and potentially even land attack cruise missiles. That's like having a track-ready hypercar that also comes with missile launchers just in case. In terms of safety, it's got watertight compartments, sonar countermeasures, and electronic warfare systems. It's built to avoid danger, but if it finds it, it's more than ready to respond. So, who is the S-26P Submarine 7 for? Well, unless you're a Navy Admiral or James Bond, you probably want to be piloting one. But if you're into serious tech, stealth design,